Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying basics so the update proceeds smoothly. First, check your Android version in settings to ensure compatibility. Once done, make sure you have roughly 50% battery or plug-in. Updates can stall on low power. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Google Photos. You're doing this to reach the app page where updates appear. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you have a limited data plan, then tap the app to continue to the next step. You'll now install and validate the updated app. Tap Update and watch progress. Downloads typically show a % and estimated time. Once the button changes to Open, launch Google Photos to let it initialize new features. Make sure backup resumes and your photos appear in Gallery View. This confirms data integrity. If the app prompts new permissions, read them and accept only those required for features you need. This step avoids unexpected failures and explains why the app requests access. Finish by confirming settings and a quick sanity check. Open settings within Google Photos to verify backup, face grouping, and sync preferences. Toggle settings to force reinitialization if needed. If the app crashes or behaves oddly, make sure to force stop and reboot your phone first, then clear the app cache, not data, to preserve content. If issues continue, uninstall updates and reinstall from Play Store. This resets to a clean state. Remember, rebooting often resolves transient problems, so try that before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.